Hey guys, welcome to the MPT Entrance channel. So today we have a very special video. I'm going to discuss about an explanation for question number 4. And the question goes like this. Increase anterior pelvic tilt during foot contact and mid stance is because of option A, weak gluteal and abdominal muscle. Option B, weak back extensors. Option C, weak hip flexors. Or option D, tight hamstring. So let's just simplify this question into two parts. First, I have an anterior pelvic tilt and I have two other terms. First is a foot contact, second is a mid stance. So these two things are going to be discussed if I interpret in the form of a gait cycle that is going to be give a stance phase, not the swing phase. Secondly, I have to apply the concept given by Jandars. So what he says that if there is a cross, if I have a lower cross syndrome, then the pelvic muscles which are going to be affected are either in a weakness manner or in a tightness manner. So if I just relate this concept for this part of a gait cycle, I will get my answer. So let's see if I have a tight hamstring. If this hamstring is going to be tight, it is going to pull the pelvis superiorly. So there would be a posterior pelvic tilt. If there is a weak hip flexors, if the hip flexors are weak, they are not able to hold the pelvis in the neutral position. Again, the pelvis is going to be dropped. There would be a dropping of a pelvis. If there is a weak back extensors, if the back extensors are weak, there is a maximum no role in holding for the pelvic in a neutral position for the back extensors. I am talking about multifidi or quadratus lumborum. They are the major back extensors, so I'll take that they won't affect. But if I come on a weak gluteal part, weak gluteal and abdominal muscle part. So if my glutea are weak, they are going to drop anteriorly. The pelvis is going to be dropped anteriorly. And if the anterior abdominal is not able to control over the pelvis, the rectus abdominalis, they are not able to hold the pelvis anteriorly, so the pelvis is going to drop anteriorly, which is again defined as an anterior pelvic tilt. So the correct answer would be option A, anterior pelvic tilt.